Looking to sell your handgun but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process of selling a firearm legally and responsibly, from understanding state and federal laws to finding the best platforms and buyers. We'll provide expert tips to help you get the best value for your handgun while staying compliant with regulations. Whether you're selling online, through a dealer, or privately, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Stay tuned for advice on preparing your firearm for sale and avoiding common pitfalls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Number 8. Sig Sauer P365 is a compact, high-capacity pistol tailored for concealed carry, blending excellent firepower with a slim profile. Chambered in 9mm, it offers an impressive 10+1 or 12+1 round capacity, exceeding the typical capacity of many other micro-compacts. Weighing around 17.8 ounces and measuring 5.8 inches in length, the P365 is lightweight and easy to conceal, fitting comfortably in various holsters for everyday carry. Its ergonomic design includes a textured grip for secure handling, and the crisp trigger pull enhances accuracy and control. The P365 features SIG's X-ray 3-day night sights, enabling a rapid target acquisition in various lighting conditions, which is particularly useful in self-defense scenarios. Built with a stainless steel frame and slide, it balances durability with style. Overall, the Sig Sauer P365's combination of capacity, compact size, and reliable performance makes it a top choice among concealed carry enthusiasts seeking both power and practicality. Number 7. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus is a popular compact pistol designed for concealed carry, providing a combination of enhanced capacity, reliability, and user-friendly features. Chambered in 9mm, the Shield Plus offers a 10+1 or 13+1 magazine capacity, an impressive improvement over previous Shield models, making it an appealing choice for self-defense. It weighs approximately 20.2 ounces and measures 6.1 inches in length, making it easy to conceal while still providing a comfortable, ergonomic grip. The pistol features a flat-faced trigger for a smoother pull, contributing to enhanced accuracy and control. Its design includes front and rear slide serrations, which allow for easier manipulation, and the textured grip ensures a secure hold during shooting. Additionally, the Shield Plus is equipped with white dot sights for quick target acquisition. Known for its durability and performance, the M&P Shield Plus is an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable, high-capacity option for everyday carry. Number 6. Taurus G2C is a compact, semi-automatic handgun designed for both concealed carry and reliable self-defense. Chambered in 9mm, it boasts a 12-round magazine capacity, offering an impressive balance of firepower in a manageable size. Its lightweight polymer frame ensures comfortable handling without sacrificing durability, while the textured grip provides a secure hold for increased accuracy and control. The G2C features an adjustable rear sight and a smooth trigger pull, making it user-friendly for shooters of all experience levels. Safety is prioritized with a manual thumb safety, a striker block, and a loaded chamber indicator. Known for its affordability, the Taurus G2C delivers solid performance at a price point accessible to many. This pistol has become popular among those looking for a practical, reliable option that doesn't break the bank. Its reputation for dependability has cemented it as a strong contender in the compact handgun market. Number 5. Sig Sauer P320 is a modular striker-fired pistol widely recognized for its innovative design and reliability. Chambered in various calibers, including 9mm, it has become a favored choice among law enforcement, military personnel, and civilian shooters. The P320's standout feature is its unique serialized fire control unit, allowing users to swap grip modules, slide lengths, and calibers for unparalleled customization. This adaptability makes it a versatile option for both duty and personal use. It comes with a crisp trigger pull and a built-in safety system that does not rely on a manual safety, enhancing quick operation without sacrificing safety. The P320 is known for its robust build quality, ergonomic grip, and easy-to-use controls, which contribute to consistent accuracy and reliability. With its modularity, excellent handling, and trusted performance, the Sig Sauer P320 has solidified its reputation as a top contender in modern handgun design. Number 4. Ruger Mark IV is a popular semi-automatic pistol known for its reliability and precision, especially favored among target shooters and firearm enthusiasts. Chambered in .22 LR, it offers minimal recoil, making it an excellent choice for new shooters and seasoned marksmen alike. A standout feature of the Mark IV is its user-friendly takedown system. Unlike its predecessors, the Mark IV can be disassembled and cleaned with the press of a single button, simplifying maintenance dramatically. Its design showcases a sleek steel frame and barrel, available in multiple finishes and configurations, including the target, hunter, and tactical models. The adjustable rear sight and ergonomic grip ensure a comfortable, steady aim, enhancing accuracy during prolonged use. The Mark IV's smooth trigger pull and consistent performance make it ideal for competitions and recreational plinking. Its combination of classic looks, advanced engineering, and ease of use solidifies the Ruger Mark IV as a top-tier .22 caliber pistol. Number 3. Glock 19 Gen 5 is a compact, striker-fired 9mm pistol, renowned for its reliability, simplicity, and versatile use, appealing to law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters alike. The 5th generation incorporates several updates that enhance performance and comfort, including the Glock Marksman barrel, which features enhanced polygonal rifling for improved accuracy. The redesigned grip removes finger grooves, making it more accommodating for different hand sizes while maintaining the classic Glock texture for a firm hold. The ambidextrous slide-stop lever and reversible magazine cater to both left and right-handed users, promoting ease of operation. The Gen 5 also boasts a flared magazine well for faster reloading and a more robust NDLC finish for better corrosion and scratch resistance. Despite its modern enhancements, it retains Glock's trademark safety features and simple takedown procedure, solidifying the Glock 19 Gen 5 as a dependable choice for a variety of applications. Number 2. Colt Python is an iconic double-action revolver renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship, power, and accuracy. First introduced in 1955, it quickly gained a reputation as the pinnacle of revolver design, often referred to as the Rolls-Royce of revolvers. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the Python is also capable of firing .38 Special, making it a versatile option for both self-defense and target shooting. Its sleek, full-lug barrel provides added weight for stability, reducing muzzle rise and improving shot accuracy. The Python's smooth trigger pull and precise timing contribute to its legendary performance, while the ventilated rib and adjustable rear sight enhance sight alignment and overall handling. Modern models maintain the same classic appearance, featuring a high-polished stainless steel or blued finish with refinements that ensure durability. Its enduring reputation for quality, smooth operation, and aesthetic appeal cements the Colt Python as a timeless symbol of excellence in the world of revolvers. Number 1. Beretta Model 90 pistol is a classic semi-automatic pistol that embodies the craftsmanship and reliability for which Beretta is known. Chambered typically in .32 ACP, 7.65 mm, the Model 90 was designed for personal defense and law enforcement use, offering a balance of power and manageable recoil. Its sleek design features a compact and lightweight alloy frame, making it an easy carry for everyday use. The pistol includes a single-action trigger, ensuring a crisp and precise shooting experience, along with a manual safety for added user security. The Model 90's slide and barrel are meticulously machined to provide a smooth cycling action, contributing to its reputation for dependability. Although now less common due to the emergence of newer models, the Beretta Model 90 remains a testament to the brand's legacy of producing firearms that are both functional and stylish. Its classic design appeals to collectors and enthusiasts who value historical pistols with proven performance.